hi guys, afternoon and shalom, wherever you are. I'm journalist Vicky Mbuyi, just trying to fix up my hair for this evening show at the wedding of Masilum Lamba and Mrs. Karins. I just make myself beauty. I would like just to show some people this beautiful hairstyle. So simple and beautiful. So I will be the MC of tonight's wedding. So I must have something different. Even all my styles today, they look so different because I'm the owner. What I can say from there, I'll be presenting the couples. So I'm MC. The MC have to look different, not like everybody, but different on my way. As I like to look different. That's why I decided to make that beautiful style in this simple makeup. What I can say from there, just for tonight's show. Tonight at the wedding, Karin's and Marcelo weddings is happening today. Today they are getting married, so that's why we're going to celebrate. Today they are getting married. I'll be the MC, journalist Vicky Mbuyi MC on Karin's wedding and Marcelo wedding. So just see, this is simple style, beauty and kind. So simple, but beautiful. As an artist that you are, a beauty that you are, it's good to look so different sometimes. Now you look different with different style. Just for the show, tonight's show. It's simple. So simple. It's not a complicated hairstyle. Just a simple. Just watch out.
Yeah, that's right.
Watch out. I was with the bridesmaid this mornings until last night. I hope each and everyone they did enjoy our video. I made her to look so beautiful for the future husband, which is Marcelo Mulamba. This journalist Vicky Mbuyi, I will be at the show tonight, MC on the show. Just watch out. Watch up what I'm busy doing. Watch up. Just stay there. With this beautiful hairstyle and simple. In life, it's good to create something new as yourself. Even style, the way behave things, create something new. You see on back how it looks? Yeah, still moving on. Journalist Vicky Mbuyi beauty. Kind and simple, guys. Stay there and watch me what I'm busy doing. As a child of God you need any time just to exercise the talent and the gift that God put in you. Don't get disappointed. Don't lose hope. Use just your gift. And the Lord will open many doors for you. That's my advice of each and every one of those who are watching this video. Yeah. Journalist Vicky Mbuyi, just this. I'm a servant of God, has served God through different gifts. And the Lord, by His grace, the Lord has given me this talent. For all your weddings, traditional, white weddings, just contact Victoria, journalist Victoria. I will be assisting you as an MC, as a stylist, makeup, beauty, everything. We are there. Watch out, don't go away. I'm there. I had some pegs, small pegs. So simple. I have to catch up more pets. You see, on one left. So I have to finish up with this one as well. I got some gel. Let me take some small gel just to make it loose. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Got a second pegs. This is a pegs now. I mix them. I take the short one or the tall ones. Mix them. It's depending which or the size that's with. I would like each and everyone just to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Vicky, Mbuyi, the sound of Tromppet TV. Watch up and share my video. Yeah, so I always do that for me to spend money. I do that. Yeah. So for all humans, those who are connected this evening at the sound of Tromppet TV 24, just watch up. Just hit some eggs. While you are doing this, make sure you are checking everywhere. Make sure everywhere it's good. When I will be on the stage tonight, I'll be just dancing. No, Karin, no, Marcelo. Today is your day, is your day, is your day. I'll be on the show tonight as an MC, so that's why I just fix up myself so I can look great, beauty. That's for tonight's show. Hey, tonight's show. This one they adjust the bolts. Once I just put it down in front, doesn't ask much. Just a simple bolt. I will choke some bolt as well. Well, put them around here. Just watch up. We are watching. Watch up and like my video. Tonight show. Wow, Sawa Shofe, tonight show. I don't ask you much. I ask you simple things. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Vicky Mbuyi, journalist. Sawa Shofe. Let me change effects. A little bit small this one, it's short. Let me find the big ones. Ooh, ooh. Tonight, Sawa Shofe. Tonight. Just preparing for it. Yes. If you never get married, just be happy. Your time will arrive as well. Yeah. God time is a boss in life. Yeah. Don't lose hope. Tonight's so special. Today is special, guys. We thank God for today. I will alter small bits, not more much. It's already fantastic. I don't know. I would like your comments, your share, your comments, no? Other person's comments. Don't be jealous, just comment. Comment. Outlook right now. I like your comments. From now I will add some pills. Okay. As on this side, I put four bills as well, the big ones, just to make myself difference. Simple style difference. I'm so beauty cutie. For all your beauty. contactants we add. Just keep on watching. Keep on watching. Don't go. Let's be there. I will head again this one's on the bait side. I just make the nets, apply them. Just try to push it up a little bit, just to look so different. Push it up. Mustn't be too tight. You see how it looks? Great. Did I put five bolts here? Even here I will hide once. It's so simple. Wherever international you are, you can just try this beautiful style. For any events that you got as MC, you need to look pretty. You need to look so gorgeous. You need to look perfect. Any event that you got, service event, you need to look beautiful for the glory of God. You know? Make them 5. There must be 7. How it looks. I'll take something. Just watch up. Those one I will head just down. I'll head them down. I don't know. They don't need to be open. You see? You just replate it again. You replate it again. You replate it again. Tonight show kind weddings and Marcelo Salvation Fair tonight with the MC journalist Vicky Mbuyi. Just this is what I'm doing. This is a simple bit that I put it down just to be involved. I don't want to be open. Oh, that's it. That's it. So simple. It's not so difficult. Let's shut up. Check up the second ones. Both of them must be same measure.
Come out here. I need you to come out here.
This is African styles. Cute. I would take this scissors just to take this one out. Same long. Don't be tired to watch up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Vicky Mbuyi, the sound of Tromppet TV journalist. For more events of your activity, join us every Monday to Saturday morning prayer at the sound of Tromppet TV 24 hours. Every Tuesday and Thursday we got classic gospel music, which we always promote different singers from different places, different countries. There's on Tromppet TV. Just contact us from 8 o'clock to 9, 9:30, classic gospel music. You are more than welcome all. We are doing God Wednesday. You see how it looks. Nice and gorgeous. Great. 12 routines. Just cut off this one. I'll take some small gel and here. There's the jelly on the brush. Make sure while you are doing it, check it. Most of the time you have to check. Pick it up your fingers to make checks. If there's something wrong, you got it easily. Then if you don't check, you won't catch something wrong in. Plug here. That is fine already. I don't want to add more of this. I find it better like this. Yeah, I find it better. Just some small stuffs here for the night shinings. Night shinings. Today wedding is so perfect. Wow. So we invite you all to watch out tonight weddings, Karin's and Marcelo weddings. So just put a spray bags. They are so small that they are not big. You put them up. Can make sure you put many bags, because you never know while you will be busy dancing. You never know what will happen next. Just make sure you put nice bags. I don't want anyone to come. Oh, journalist Vicky, Mbuyi didn't show us how to check up. No. Make sure all your pegs are right. They're strong. Yeah, guys. I'm almost done. For everyone those that are watching this video, I'm almost done. I will now spray. Before everything, I will got some spray in. You see the spray? There we go. Your hair can be so shiny. You just spray on it. Yeah. Other sprays. Take some scissors. You chop it off, those small wave standings. You chop them off. Make sure. You chop. You chop them off. You just chop. bought like much stuffs on it. This color, we just add it in. Almost done with the questions. I'm already at the end. Thanks you guys for watching this video. These are the ones. It's next week's next. Ne? You can find it on the weave. You just edit out. Just to keep nice and very your style. Also this one's too short, but I will add another one so they can be two. All it's in there. I just get this one, it's oil. Thank you so much to all people of God. Also, they were watching me this evenings. Journalist Vicky Mbuyi with a beautiful style of the event, tonight events. Karin's weddings today and Mushroom Lamba. We love them. We will be there very soon. I'm the MC. I ask each and everyone please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll never be disappointed. Let God bless you. See you next time. Ciao. God bless you. Au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. Je dis au revoir. Merci à tout le temps, chacun qui était connecté. Voir la journaliste en train de se coiffer, de belles coiffures pour la soirée à l'honneur de la sœur Karine Marcelo Moulamba, leur mariage. Je suis l'animatrice de ce mariage. Bye bye et à bientôt. Ciao.